Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. It's Tuesday again, so Tuesday is open for everyone. This is a public live stream every day. After this live stream, Stefan will do another one. Yeah, day trading with Stefan, where you can ask all your requests and you can ask Stefan questions. And in the New York session, we have the New York live stream. And today, live stream is open for all the Discord members. We still have some problems with the Discord allowing everyone in, but we do the best we can. Okay, someone please tell me if we have sound, if you can see the image. Morning, Darren. Hey, Sebastian. Hey, Timmy. Hey, Matija. Hey, everyone. Okay, so starting as usual, Bitcoin daily chart. Let's do something like this. We had the dump, we had the pump, and I said long reload zone. Even yesterday or 2 days ago, I said the market is weak, will probably go and test 64. Well, we are exactly in that level now. And now, because we are in the long reload zone and testing these levels, looks like everyone is bearish. I don't understand. Here, everyone was bullish, and now here everyone is bearish. Well, I don't think it's the best option, but anyway, up to you. What I'm expecting here? Well, I'll wait, depending what kind of trader I am. If I'm a day trader, then 15-minute, 1-hour Ws. You can play the shark also if you want. If you are a swing trader, then 4-hour Ws I think is the best for a swing trader to wait. We have nice location now. Everyone is thinking lower. Everyone is panicked. So it's not a bad idea to think long in this area. Thinking long, people, doesn't mean you market buy. Well, I'm thinking long. Okay, I'm buying everything. I'm longing everything. No. Thinking long means that you are hunting long ideas. If you see a long setup, then you can play that one. It's pretty simple for me. Okay, now that's Bitcoin on daily. If you put 4-hour chart, you can see we don't have any W yet. We had A, B, C, D completing itself. We touched 78.6, but if you look left, you'll understand why I think long here. We have a good location. Indicators, well, nothing special. On lower time frame, yeah. On 4-hour chart and higher, no. So, for swing traders, location only. For day traders, we have some reasons there to think more aggressively long. So that's Bitcoin on CME. We can look at the classic chart. The difference between CME and classic chart is that you can see here, candle body lows look a lot better on a classic chart, on index, than on CME. You can see we are testing that close even now. If I zoom in, you'll understand. Look at it. Candle body lows. If you remember Brian Beamish, we tested that level and we bounced. It's not a coincidence that we bounced from that area. Not at all. So, give me a W and I could think long. No W, no trade. We can dip lower. Yes, we can test what was here, 59,900. SFU that level, then bounce, then push lower. I'm not saying that will go straight to the moon from here. If the market will dump and will test this level, that's a good level to play a long SFU, no? Shorting here, it's asking for trouble, people. Don't be the last one to short. That's Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum on daily. Similar, you can see on daily, candle body lows, trade location. We can dump lower to 1,500? Of course we can. We want to short here? No, we won't. We don't like to short here. We wanted to short the bounces, yeah? When we had here the bounce, when we had here the bounce, okay, that's a good area to think short. But here, I'll be honest, I'm not shorting Ethereum at $1,800 after a drop from 3,500. Come on. I'm just not doing that. I'm more than happy to hunt long ideas here. Okay, that's Bitcoin, that's Ethereum. Dominance. Well, dominance is weaker. You can see it's losing some steam. That means Bitcoin is dropping more than altcoins in this case. Well, let's see what will happen. Let's see if we'll accept below. We accepted below this level, 58.5. Now the next level. Could we hope for something bigger? Well, why not? Let's wait and see what will happen. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin in the same place like last couple of days. Indicators are not looking as bad as we think, but I don't see anything special. I think it's still possible to touch 0.02625 and then to do a W. For the moment, let's give it some credit. It's fighting 0.03 level. Even if it's not strong enough, but it's fighting that level. It's trying to do something. It's attempting to keep that level and maybe pump. Will succeed or not? Well, it's not up to us. Okay. Total market cap. Well, fighting 2 trillion. You can see where. Is looking similar with Bitcoin. Total 3 similar like yesterday. We are dumping here in the long reload zone. 500 billion, it's a big fat round number, no? We talked about Bitcoin on CME, Ethereum on CME. Nothing to say about this one. Looking similar with the classic chart. Just this big gap here at 2,600. This is a big gap, needs a fill. And we'll probably fill that gap before we'll form a bottom on Ethereum. Just my 2 cents. Yes. Well, on higher time frame, nothing happened. We are still in the same place. We dumped yesterday, okay, but that's on lower time frame. On daily, we are in the same place. People that are trading traditional market hedged here will accept lower, will create bigger EMs, will go lower. Well, it's possible. He's trying to fight that 7,000 level, but let's see. The more it stays here, the more it looks like a Wyckoff distribution. Yeah, if you take this high, then this one, then this one, then even this smaller one looks like a distribution here. Let's hope that I'm wrong and we'll push higher. Gold is pushing in the short reload zone. I know a stupid trader that told you A, B, C, D here to 78.6. Once we reach this area, everyone will become bullish on gold again, and will be the worst place to be bullish on gold, but not up to me. Silver, shoulder, head, shoulder, okay. Who managed to take an entry here? Now it's happy camper. You can see we'll have one gap, second gap, third gap maybe. Yeah, I think silver could test 100 and maybe even higher and then dump like crazy. This candle, look at this. This candle needs a retest. We know that. Nothing special here. Gold versus silver coming back down here. Well, if we'll make a double here, I could call it, well, it looks likely that gold versus silver is making a bottom. So far, no. You can see the EM and accepting lower. Oil is pushing higher, slow and steady. Will not go straight up, but you know my opinion about oil. And DXY is doing what DXY is doing usually, ranging. Everyone was panicking here. Now we have some W's. When we'll get here, we'll say higher, and actually it's a range. Simple as that. So that's my overview. Let's go on lower time frame. Before that, calendar. No news. No big important news for today. Second impact. Well, There are some Fed speakers today, but lately Fed speakers don't have any impact on the market. If Trump is speaking, then yes. If Fed people are speaking, not too many people pay attention these days. Maybe I'm wrong, who knows. Okay, but high impact, at least on this calendar, no. Only, yeah, Trump is speaking again. Ugh. And Friday you have PPI. Okay, safe enough to go on lower time frame and see what we have. Okay, what do we have for Bitcoin, for example, on 1 hour chart? Well, because it's Tuesday, we have the Monday high, we have the Monday low, we are in a long reload zone here, and I said, even on general chat in the morning, I'm hunting long ideas. And yeah, I'm hunting long ideas here. What will happen? Will dump a bit lower, or I'm waiting for a clear setup. If the market will reclaim this level, then okay, we are back in the range. But here below, I'm still hunting long ideas, but different kind of setups. I'm hunting general setups here. I need, for example, you can see potential bullish divergence. If I want to go on lower time frame, I'll see more. I prefer to stay on 5-50 minute chart in these scenarios. I need a W. Give me a clear W breakout and retest, and I'll, even if it's a lower time frame, I could go on, let's say, on 50 minute chart on Bitcoin. Well, give me a W and I could play something. You can see here we have a confirmed bullish divergence, yeah, on 50 minute chart. Give me a clear W. We have something here. I don't know if it's the best. I don't think it is, but you can see up, down, up. It's trying to form a W. We already have a confirmed bullish divergence. Let's see the OBV. OBV confirmed the same, has a bullish divergence. So give me a clear W and I'll be more than happy to hunt a long idea here. But 50 minute chart is not for everyone, people. Back on 1 hour, I think usually most of you should wait for a 1 hour W. Everyone thinks that is a scalper. Everyone thinks that should play 5 minute chart. But is that true? It's really everyone or most of you can trade 50 minute chart? And now everyone will say, well, I can, the rest, no. Well, I'm not here to tell you what time frame to trade, people, but if you are not profitable, maybe that's one of the reasons. You are too close to the market. You don't want to zoom out a little bit and slow down a little bit. Yeah, everyone wants to be a scalper these days. Well, I don't know how to explain it better, people. I'm hunting long ideas here. That's the conclusion. That doesn't mean I'm market long. No, I'm hunting long ideas. Ethereum, similar. You can see Monday high, Monday low. Well, some potential bullish divergence on RSI, even on 1 hour. That's good. If I go on 50 minute chart, well, bullish divergence trying to confirm, OBV trying to confirm something here, do some W's. Give me a nice W here on Ethereum and I'll be more than happy to play around. We can SFU the lows from Asia session? Yeah, of course we can. We can SFU that and then pump. Will SFU now in the London session? I don't know about that. Maybe in New York session? Who knows? But slow and steady, people. We have the Monday range. Reclaiming in the range means that we'll play the range game again. I know that at the bottom of the range, everyone is bearish. People are trying to explain me here why this is bearish and why the market should dump. I'm not saying it's not possible to dump more, but it's usually a good idea to short here. I'll hunt long ideas, people. Do whatever you want with your own money. I'm not a financial advisor and I don't intend to be one. Okay? I'm just a stupid trader blabbing away on YouTube for people that want to listen. Even if you are listening to me, what I'm saying, you should decide by yourself. You should frame your own setups, even if you are a VIP member. Yeah? We are posting tons of setups in VIP, and you should decide which setup you take with what risk. If you are not able to calculate the position size, to respect the setups, and I don't know, trade in general, you'll not be able to follow on VIP. And every month we have 2 or 3 people that they admit, well, it's not for me. It's not for me. It's too fast. It's too much. It's too hard. I don't know. But in the same time, we have a core team in VIP that have months, even years staying in VIP, enjoying. On silence, you don't hear them. You don't hear. Some people, you just don't hear them. You just see that I took the profit here, I took the trade here. Slow and steady. I know some of them, they have big portfolios. Really big ones for if you compare it to the public. But the bigger the portfolio, I don't know if it's a coincidence, the bigger the portfolio, the silent that guy becomes. You don't hear him. Just taking the trade, making some money, enjoying life. And by the way, people, if you don't have, soon enough we'll open, tomorrow we'll open the registration for VIP. If you don't have a 10K portfolio for trading, don't join VIP, please. It's that simple. We even put that question, we put that in the questions for joining VIP. And we recommend, if you don't have a 10K portfolio, please don't join VIP because it's not profitable for you. Okay. SFU or without SFU, I'm hunting long ideas. As long as we are below this level, it's dangerous to play longs, but I'll still play them. After we reclaim above the Monday low, it's a bit safer to play the long ideas on Ethereum. Yeah, get well, Menace. And come back to trading. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Aster, 4-hour chart. People, I don't want to short this shit here. It's looking bearish. Well, it's not looking bullish, let's say that way. Yams. If we'll dump here, we'll think about it. If we'll do a pump here in 80 cents, I'll hedge my portfolio for the next period. You know that. Hype. Finally is getting in an acceptable location. Yeah? Acceptable location. The better location will be this one. Here. Show me clear W, show me clear setup, so now I could play it. I warned you multiple times here, don't be bullish, don't go and be the last one to buy. Hopefully I saved you some money and you listened and didn't lose money here. Hopefully. Solana, lazy, up and down, is just a proxy for the shitcoins for me. So if I see Solana lazy, not doing anything, I know that Solana, shitcoins, and usually shitcoins don't perform in this environment. Okay, ES on lower time frame. What do we have here? Well, I'm not trading ES, but we have the Monday high, the Monday low. We are close to the middle of the range. Stay the fuck out. I should rename this middle of the range. Stay the fuck out. Yeah? If we'll SFU the Monday low, you know what to do. Hunt a long SFU. If we'll SFU the Monday high, a lot of confluence here, then you can play a SFU short. As long as we are in the Monday range, let's think about the Monday range. If the market will do something else, will SFU this high and will do other things, okay, we'll talk about at that moment. But for the moment, play the Monday range, people. Gold, similar. This trade on the short trade is done. Stop loss hit. Now, what we can do here? Similar. We have the Monday high, the Monday low, and we are in the middle of the range. Yeah, indeed, the market looks bouncy here. Problem is, we are already in the short reload zone. I don't want to, even if I'll trade the traditional market. This area is dangerous to play for me. Silver, well, is going back up to 100, seems like. With or without us. Yeah? This was the trader's trade. This was the end, the perfect entry. Shoulder, head, shoulder, W. Ugly, but that's silver. Nothing you can do about it. W here. If you manage to take that, you're already deep in profit. Deep in profit. You should be kind of 6-1. I took this one? No. I have the bigger one. If you remember, I have the bigger one. I still have a little bit. I'm more than okay to hold that position. So that's my lower time frame view. 1 hour, 50-minute chart, 5-minute chart for some people. I don't know. 5-minute chart is for scalpers. They trade the scalpers. I see something here. It's enough for a trade? Well, I don't know about that. Let's wait and see. Okay. Someone said about in the chat about SUI. Well, let's take a look at SUI. Why not? Yeah. SUI has a nice location, but nothing else, unfortunately. Yeah, nothing else. And you can tell me, well, has a good location. Yes, it has. Yes, it's testing the lows here, candle body lows, but it's a shitcoin. You want to go and try to hunt there, or you want to wait for daily W's? I don't know about you, but I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll wait for daily W's. At least daily W's. Could dump and test the week low here, the tail, this one? Yeah, of course he can. Could accept below this one and go even lower from 50 cents to 5 cents? Of course he can. It's a shitcoin. They give me daily W's and then I'll change my opinion. Well, has daily W's. I have a way to frame my window of risk. Yeah, I have where to put at the neckline of the W, I'll put my entry. At the bottom of the W, I'll put my stop loss. If this W fails, I'm out and I'll wait for the next one. Here, where the fuck I should put my stop loss? And what's the probability for me to make money if I long here? Well, I don't know. Well, I don't trade there. Short at this moment in time, at this location? No, Pyro. No. I'm not shorting any shitcoin. Why I should short shitcoins here? Can you tell me? What is the location? It's a location for short here? Imagine that. So you didn't short here, everyone was bullish here. You didn't short here in the short reload zone and the retest. Everyone was sweet to the moon, is the best. But you want to short now. Zoom out and think about it. Well, why the fuck here? I didn't short it here. I didn't short it. I want to short here. At close to 88.6. Come on. It's logic what you are saying. So you are close to the bottom, or kind of bottom, or local bottom. You are at the support. You are close to the POC or in the POC. Yeah? Look at this one. You are below the POC. You are in the value here, and you want to short here. Why? Here in the fluff, nobody shorted. People, I'm not your financial advisor. Do what the fuck you want with your money, okay? But I'm not shorting any shitcoin. Too late for that. I prefer to play Bitcoin and Ethereum. You see me, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm making money every week. You see me. Well, I took this, I took this, I took this, and I made money. Last night I took 2 long setups on the SFU, Bitcoin and Ethereum, made them risk-free. I posted, well, I made the trade risk-free. I want to sleep like a baby. In the morning, trades belly up, but no problem. I didn't lose any money. I have the same portfolio today. I could try again. Simple as that. You want to play a different game? Go ahead. It's your money, it's your style, it's your life, it's everything. Everything is yours. I'm here just to tell you my 2 cents about the market, what I'm hunting, what I do with my own money. If that will give you some, I don't know, some reasons to do the same, or to, I don't know, get some setups from us, okay, that's good. Okay, today is Tuesday. Stefan will do another live stream. You can ask him a lot of requests if you want. Maybe he's more patient than me. But the conclusion on altcoins is just leave them alone. Focus where you have an advantage. In my humble opinion, that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe from time to time a shitcoin. Maybe. If you see an influencer or more influencer posting about a shitcoin, look at this one, how good it is, how nice it looks. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's crowded. Usually they want liquidity for their trades, for their exit. Don't touch it. If you see influencer talking about lean, I saw lean everywhere and people lost a lot of money on it. I saw other shitcoins. Some influencer, well, look at this one looks nice, and people, stay the fuck out. Stay on Bitcoin. They cannot, at least the influencers we have, they cannot manipulate Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rest of the shitcoins, no. I saw someone posting in VIP, a shitcoin doesn't have liquidity for you to open a new position. And why the fuck you want to trade that one? When you have Bitcoin and Ethereum, you have everything you need. Well, if you play around, you'll find out. If you are sharp enough, maybe you can make money. I'm not saying it's not possible. But it's a lot easier to stay here on Bitcoin and Ethereum and make money. My 2 cents. Okay. That being said, we don't accept. I see people DMing me about Capua 1 and Capua 2. We don't accept people in Capua 1 and Capua 2 anymore. It's closed. Done. We are in the middle of the program. We are teaching people how to trade. We didn't open the registration for the next one because we don't know when we'll do it. If you DM me, I'll put you on a waiting list or something like that, and I'll DM you when I'll open the next one. That's possible. But you don't have any chances to get in the Capua 1 anymore, or Capua 2. Yeah. Tomorrow we have live stream with Capua 2. Stefan will hold that live. Friday we have live stream with Capua 1. And Capua 1 will learn market state, market structure. Yeah. Okay, nice things. We are in the TA part, and the basic TA is the most important in my opinion. Okay, people. Protect your capital. See you in the next live stream. Probably Stefan will start the live stream in 10-15 minutes as usual. Wait for the Stefan to post the link. Repost that link posted by Stefan. Go and comment. Help him a little bit to be more visible. Yeah, Stefan is not doing daily live streams. He's doing once every week. So try to push the algo a little bit so he'll be more visible. Yeah. Okay. That being said, let's close the live stream. See you in the next one. Bye bye.